Welcome all! In the realm of modern technology, capturing what's on your screen is akin to having a photographic memory. Whether you're navigating the familiar landscape of Windows 10 or exploring the new terrain of Windows 11, the ability to capture and immortalize your screen is an essential skill. Today we're looking at 3 speedy methods to do this. First up, the old reliable, the print screen method. In the world of screen capture, the trusty print screen command is like an old friend. In both Windows 10 and 11, tapping the print screen button, also known as the PRT-SCN or the PRT-SC button on your keyboard, captures your screen's contents and stores it on your clipboard. How this button looks differs from keyboard to keyboard. As an example, I had 2 Logitech keyboards and the buttons were different on each one. On the first keyboard, it appears as PRT-SCR underscored by SYSRQ. On the second keyboard, it appears only as print screen. You'll have to excuse how my keyboards look. I try to clean them, but we live in South Africa, it's winter here and everything is bone dry, so we're dealing with a lot of dust. On the Lenovo keyboard we have at home, it is just PRT-SC. Usually when you press these, it looks like nothing happened. This is because the data is saved on your clipboard. You can search for an open paint and click on the paste button to open the screenshot into this editing app. From here you can save it as a JPEG or PNG file. Alternatively, you can paste it into an email or into a Word or Google document you are working on by clicking in these documents and pressing Ctrl V. Just be aware that it captures your entire screen. Also, if you have a second screen connected to your laptop or PC, it will capture both screens if you use this button. But hold on, there's a twist. By adding the Alt key to the mix, you can capture only the active window. This will be the browser, document or program window you are currently working on. Definitely a very handy trick for keeping the focus on what matters most. Second, there is the classic approach of using Snipping Tool. Some things never go out of style, and that holds true for this screen capturing app. In both Windows 10 and 11, Snipping Tool is your trusty companion for this task. To open the app, go to your search bar and type Snipping Tool and select the app to open. Once you have it open, you will notice it has different modes. By default, it opens with a rectangular snip selected. This allows you to select a section of the screen or the entire screen by making your selection block big enough when you capture. If you don't like this, you can opt for the free-form snip mode, which allows you to manually draw a line to select an area to snip. Or alternatively, you can select to capture the entire screen, but it would be quicker just to use the print screen method we previously mentioned if you want to do this. With Snipping Tool, you can immediately highlight areas on the screenshot that you took or draw on it with different color pens to draw attention to a certain area. If you make a mistake, simply use the eraser tool to wipe out your blunder. Once you're done, you can choose to save the image or copy and paste it directly into a document or email you're editing. To do this, press the copy option and then select the app you want to paste in and press Ctrl V. Third in today's lineup is the upgrade to Snipping Tool called Snip Sketch. You can activate this app by pressing the Windows key, Shift and S at the same time. It has a few extra features that Snipping Tool does not have. The addition of a pencil marker, for instance, that allows you to mark up your screenshot with lines that have a pencil-like texture. You can also crop your image to select a certain section right in the app, allowing you to further remove any areas of the image you may not have wanted in the initial capture. In this app, you also have the ability to zoom in on your screenshot for any fine detail you want to see or mark up. In Snip Sketch, however, if you make a mistake, you only have the option to erase all the work you did by selecting the eraser and choosing the Erase All Ink option. This is unlike Snipping Tool that allows you to correct only certain sections. So if this ability is important to you, rather use the older application. When you are done, you can share your screenshot via various methods, save it, or copy and paste like we did earlier with Snipping Tool. So there you have it, 3 methods to take a screenshot in Windows and edit them with some basic changes. In the dynamic world of Windows 10 and 11, capturing your screen is an art that everyone should master. So whether you're a seasoned explorer or a screen capture novice, these 3 methods will have you copying images and screens without breaking a digital sweat. Thanks for watching. I hope this gave you some tools that will serve you well in the trenches of daily digital communication. Don't forget to like and subscribe, it is always appreciated and keeps us going as a channel. Enjoy your day and see you in the next tech update.